Most Mac users use way more apps than they need to get their writing done. A grammar tool here, a research tab there, a clipboard manager somewhere else. And by the time you actually start writing, you've already lost 20 minutes just setting everything up. So I put together the best productivity writing apps for Mac that actually make a difference, free and paid. And I'm starting with the one that replaces the most tools on its own. It's called Elephas. Most people haven't heard of it. But once you see what it does, it's hard to go back to anything else. Here's the problem it solves. When you're writing, you're constantly switching between tabs, researching, fixing grammar, trying to find that note you saved somewhere. It breaks your flow every single time. Elephas pulls all of that into one place. Start with the grammar fix. Instead of tools that show you each error one by one, Elephas fixes everything automatically with a single shortcut. Select your text, hit the shortcut, done. It also learns your writing style. Feed it a few samples of your own writing, and it starts writing in your voice. You can use it to continue writing when you're stuck, generate drafts from keywords, or rewrite content in different modes: professional, friendly, concise, or viral. And then there's Superbrain. You connect it to Apple Notes, Obsidian, or DevonThink, drop in your research and documents, and Elephas builds a personal knowledge base on your Mac. Then you just chat with it. Ask anything, and it pulls answers from your own saved information with the source included. It also has workflows, multi-step automations that can pull information, search your files, and export results as PDFs, presentations, or even generate images. And it runs fully offline with inbuilt local AI models. Your data never leaves your Mac. Starts at $9.99 a month. Now, the second app is something a lot of writers already use in the browser. But most people don't know how good it actually is for writing specifically. It's Claude. If you've used ChatGPT for writing before, you've probably noticed that the output feels a bit robotic in places. Claude tends to produce more natural-sounding content. Not perfect, but noticeably closer to how a human would write it. That said, the honest advice here is to never rely fully on any AI for final content. Use it to generate a draft, then go back through and add your own voice, your own ideas, your own personality. That extra round of editing is what actually makes the writing feel real. One thing worth knowing: Claude's free plan has fewer messages compared to ChatGPT, so if you need more output more often, ChatGPT may give you more room. But for writing tasks specifically, Claude is the stronger tool. Next is Maccy. It's a free open-source clipboard manager. Every piece of text, image, or link you copy on your Mac gets saved automatically. And whenever you need something you copied earlier, you just open Maccy and search for it. For research-heavy writing, this is genuinely useful. You're pulling URLs, quotes, and references from different places all day. Maccy means you never lose something you copied an hour ago. You can pin frequently used items so they're always at the top. And you can set custom shortcuts to paste things even faster. Completely free. Then there's Dropover. It doesn't help with the writing itself, but it removes a lot of the friction around it. When you're working with images, files, or documents across multiple folders and apps, Dropover gives you a floating shelf to hold everything temporarily. You shake your cursor while dragging a file and a shelf appears. Drop your files there, go wherever you need to go, and drop them in the right place when you're ready. For writers who work with a lot of images or pull files from different locations, this keeps the workflow clean. Free with a minor delay. One-time purchase of $6.99 removes it. And the last one is Image.Optim. Simple tool. You drop images into it and it compresses them. No quality loss on the lossless setting, and a significant size reduction on the lossy one. If you write for the web, this matters. Large image files slow down pages and create problems for readers. Image.Optim handles compression locally on your Mac, so nothing gets sent to an outside server. Completely free and open source. So those are the best productivity writing apps for Mac. Elephas for the entire writing workflow, Claude for AI-assisted drafting, Maccy for clipboard management, Dropover for file organization, and Image.Optim for keeping your images lightweight. If you only pick one to start with, make it Elephas. It touches more parts of your writing process than any other tool on this list. Link is in the description. Make sure you subscribe for more such videos.